Welcome to an exceptional Madeiran Quinta, set within one of Funchal's distinguished residential areas. Beautifully restored in 2023, the residence brings together the character of Madeira's architectural heritage. Set within a private estate of approximately 830 square meters, the property enjoys mature gardens, peaceful outdoor spaces, and an elevated position above the city. Inside approximately 420 square meters of accommodation across 3 generous levels, natural light fills the elegant living spaces where original character, carefully selected finishes and quality craftsmanship create a home that feels sophisticated yet warm and inviting. 5 spacious bedrooms and 3 beautifully appointed bathrooms provides generous accommodation for family and guests. Outside the Quinta reveals another side of life in Madeira. The heated swimming pool and a jacuzzi offering a private setting to relax, entertain and enjoy the island's climate. A fully equipped gym further complements the property. Located in the prestigious Santa Luzia, the Quinta is just minutes from the historic centre, marina, restaurants, international schools and cultural attractions. A distinctive home where history has been preserved and the Madeiran way of life can be enjoyed at its very best.